immediately captures her finger with his own mouth. Sir, calm down. They enter the bathroom, and Delisa assists in washing her hands. So, when Delisa rests his head on her shoulder, she is now blushing. But when Khalid mentions hearing her heartbeat, her anxiety goes up, and she silently pleads for help. And to add to her nervousness, Delisa wants to, devour her. She panics at the sound of those words and starts screaming for help. Okay, imagine a killer saying he wants to eat you. I'll be like Laylan here. After the screaming, he brings her to bed and does nothing else. She wraps herself in her blanket, grateful that she's still alive, while Delisa is head over heels in love. And though he plans to let her go, the thought of her makes his heart race so fast. The next day, before getting into her carriage, she notices Anne is missing and tries to ask Hayden about it. But Delisa interrupts and tells her she's gone. She becomes serious and wants to see Anne immediately. Delisa, as an obedient husband, allows her to say goodbye. Laylan keeps interpreting his words, which Laylan gratefully grants, even congratulating her on her new job. Anne kneels down, sobbing, and begs her master to let her pursue her ambitions, which Laylan gratefully grants, even congratulating her on her new job. Now inside the carriage, Laylan sulkily learns that it is indeed him who refers Anne to the shop's owner. She apologizes for assuming that he murdered her maid, and Delisa simply laughs it off, admitting he can't possibly get mad at her because she's so adorable. He then begins to ask her when she plans to return Hayden and the other servants to Ephraim, but he quickly brushes off his inquiry. The truth is, he wants to monopolize